As you're all aware, we are here in Tavarakatte, one of the Siddhi tribal community hamlet in Sahyadri Forest, Yellapura Taluk. We are all aware, after the outbreak of Corona, COVID-19, in the state of Karnataka, schools were shut down for a brief time. It has been months now that children have gone to school. Corona can keep children away from school but not from learning. Now, considering the plight that children are in and considering the challenges they are going through, we wish that children do not get accustomed to this break and stay back home. When the schools start, they should be prepared and they should go back to school. So while they are at home, we are now coming up with Bundle of Joy. Now, what's Bundle of Joy? This Bundle of Joy is a small packet which takes care of the needs of children. It has such ration material which takes care of nutrition. It has materials of immunity. It has hygiene related materials in the kit, and lastly education. So we are taking care of the nutrition, immunity, wellness, hygiene and education of the children. All our aim is to make sure that our children, while they are in the break in homes, they are nutritious, they have immunity, they read well and prepare and go to school. So now we have with us our Dr. Anthony Sebastian, who is the chairperson for Karnataka State Commission for Child Right Protection. We also have members with him, Mr. Ashok, and members from the other administrative departments from the Yellapur Taluk. And we also have with us the partners who have come up with Bundle of Joy. Breads, we have Father Joy and Father Ruben from Don Bosco Breads. And we have Father Mario from Project Vision. We have Mr. Jose from IFO India. And we have again members from the YECO who are a part of this initiative. And we have members from the Good Quest Foundation. All these partners have come together and made up Bundle of Joy. And that Bundle of Joy will be given to the children with our utmost joy and happiness. We have a beneficiary here. We request the Honorable Chairperson to kindly launch the packet and the beneficiary will receive. We are giving it to a mother so that she will prepare nutritious meal, a meal with hygiene, a meal with immunity, and give it to the children. And we also have a beneficiary child. So we do not want to see children have tools in their hand, but we want to see children have books in their hand, and that's what we are promoting. So we have a child here receiving all he needs to learn while he is at break in home. Books, pens, to help his creativity, he has crayons, and very importantly, some refreshments to keep him energetic. And to the local Anganwadi, this is a tribal hamlet as you can see, cut off from the mainstream society, cut off from the mainstream city. We have given some vitamin tablets. These are to be given to the children in the care of Anganwadi workers. And deworming, albendazole and deworming tablets. And this is from Team Bundle of Joy.